Ayy, get in my way and try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon. I fucked your thought, she gave me top, I guess that's my confession. Got no regrets, I made mistakes, but I learned from my...
What's going on, everybody? Happy He Got Game Saturday. As you can see, I elected not to do the He Got Game because I think the market is oversaturated. Probably got so many videos out right about now of the He Got Games. So I decided to bring you guys something a little bit different. I also like to welcome all my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Welcome to the channel on my eCrew early notification game. Thank you for all the love and support. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down. Either way I respond. Leave a comment, suggestion below. Anything that I can do to make this channel better. We almost there, peeps. About 125 subscribers short. And once we get to that 1K, then I will be doing the next giveaway because there is a lot of heat coming up in the coming months. As y'all seen today, the He Got Game big release. I got those, but like I said, I opted not to do the video. These I caught something a little bit different. One of these shoes you can grab for under $100 if you plan on going back to school. And I think you can do a custom on this, and you let me know, because I'm thinking about doing a custom. Leave a comment suggestion below. Would you do a custom on these or leave them alone? As you can see, traditional Reebok Classic. This takes me back into the day. Size 10.5. Workout Plus men. Suggested retail price. Zeros on there, but no, I didn't get it for free. See, suggested retail price. I think it's 85. Show you that receipt. Got these jokers, I think, for, where is it? $68. So not too bad. $68 from $85. Nothing spectacular about this. Plain Jane white paper. It's back in the 80s, so I'm starting to show my age on this shoe. All white shoe. Reebok on the bottom. And then the spectacular. On the toe box, got your perforated holes. Not the best leather in the world. Your traditional Reebok sign label. I might change out the laces. Leave a comment suggestion below. Would you keep these laces or get rid of them? Got your Reebok Classic emblem. Nothing on this side. Plain Jane. Coming around the back. Got 87 because that's when these were released. I think this was going to be the official first concept of the Reebok, but then they decided to change it up a little bit. Then you got the Reebok sign here. Look like pretty much Great Britain, right? So you got your Reebok sign. Then in the back said made in Vietnam. Okay. Yeah, then you got your thing right here, your red and blue. Then you got concept sample 001 with the ARC on the side of that with the re. So yeah, so like I said, I think I'm gonna do a custom on these. It's a great shoe to do a custom, not too expensive. Add some little stuff on that. Let me know what you think about this shoe. Would you do a custom? Or would you just leave it alone and rock it? Like I said, it's a different shoe. I'm trying to bring different content to the channel. Let me know. And like I said, I know I need to start doing these on feet so people can see how different, because the shoe look a lot different when we have it in hand versus when you see a picture versus when you have them on feet. So thank you for supporting your boy. Like I said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. We're 125 away from that 1K, so I can do that giveaway. And I'm out. It's your boy, E Double. Peace.
Yeah, nigga. The corner could get you rich. Let me go gang. You already know I'm about to say, nigga, I'm always in the streets. I'm street, nigga. Like, fuck you thought.